Hello everyone! Today I'm showing you step-by-step how to properly install cordless faux wood blinds. Whether you're working with 1-inch or 2-inch slats, this process is quick, simple, and makes a huge difference in your space. You can have your blinds inside or outside mounted. Today, we're doing an inside mount, which means mounting directly inside the window frame. If you're replacing existing blinds, take a flathead screwdriver and pop open the mounting brackets on both sides and slide the old headrail right out. Then remove the existing mounting brackets from the window frame. The hardware comes with 2 large end caps to cover the sides of the main headrail. To mount it, just snap it into position. The set of smaller end caps are used to cover the sides of the bottom rail. The valance is used to cover the headrail. It comes with a set of plastic clips that are inserted in the inner groove of the valance. These clips are later mounted to the headrail. To mount the blinds, we install the brackets first. For an inside mount, the brackets are screwed into the upper side of the window frame. We're setting our mounting bracket between 3 to 3.5 inches back into the frame. Because this is a narrow window, only 2 brackets are needed to mount the blind. The longer side of your bracket stays horizontal, and the shorter side runs vertical from the frame. I want our blinds to sit completely flush with the wall, so I hold the bracket in place and mark the position of first screw. I like to pre-drill a pilot hole using a thin drill bit to make setting the first screw easier. Once the hole is done, I drive in the first screw to hold the bracket steady. With the bracket in position, I repeat the process for the other 3 screws. To mount the second bracket, I just mirror the exact process for on the opposite side. Now is time for mounting the blind. For that, we angle the top edge of the headrail into the front of the brackets first, then push the bottom back until you hear it click into place. Remember to double-check that the bottom of the headrail is locked in both brackets. Push the wand straight into the mechanism hole until it clips securely. And that's it. Clean, flush, custom-looking faux wood blinds in under 15 minutes. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, drop any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick DIY home upgrades. See you next time.